Udah ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Honorable lecturer in charge of the Chemical Engineering Process Equipment course. First of all, let us express our gratitude to God Almighty for the opportunity to be here today. On this occasion, we would like to present our final project for the Chemical Engineering Process Equipment course entitled Preliminary Design of Methanol Storage Tank in the Biodiesel Production Process from Waste Cooking Oil. Allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Rivaldo Firmansyah and I will be the first presenter. I am accompanied by my group members.
Hello everyone, my name is Herlinda Hutahayan.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Naufal Syafiq.
Hello everyone, my name is Nuritul Zamutiara Syahida.
Hello everyone, my name is Lelita Rizky Amalia.
In this presentation, we will discuss the background of the process description, the working principle and design of the selected process equipment, and operating condition. The first one, background. Indonesia oil supply is dwindling while vehicle use continues to increase, necessitating the need for environmentally friendly and affordable alternative fuels such as biodiesel. Biodiesel is made from the reaction of oil with methanol or ethanol, and offer advantage such as cleaner combustion, renewable energy, and direct use in this diesel engine without modification. In Indonesia, its use is regulated through B20, 20% biodiesel and 80% diesel. One potential raw material in used cooking oil, as it can form compounds harmful to health after being used more than 3 times, making its use as biodiesel a safe and beneficial solution. Next. Process description. We have 3 processes. The first one, esterification, transesterification, and purification. Reaction. We have 2 reactions in the process. The first one, esterification and transesterification. Equipment units. List of product storage units. We have storage tank methanol. List of reactions process unit. We have esterification reactor and transesterification reactor. List of separation process unit. We have a decanter, evaporator, and distillation tower. This is a specification of storage tank. Next. This is a block flow diagram. This is a process flow diagram.
Transesterification reaction in biodiesel production. The process of making biodiesel used waste cooking oil mixed with methanol. This process involves 2 reaction steps, esterification reaction and transesterification reaction. To accelerate, the reaction use sulfuric acid and potassium hydroxide as catalysts. Both reaction process continuously at 16 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. The process description explains the steps of raw material preparation, production, formation, and production storage. The following explain as steps.
Raw material preparation stage. Methanol stored in the storage tank is at a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 1 atmospheric. The temperature of the methanol is then raised to 60 degrees Celsius by a heater before being heated. Stream to the esterification reactor and transesterification reactor. Next, the waste cooking oil or WCO stored in the waste cooking oil tank at a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 1 atmospheric is heated using a heater before being enters the esterification reactor until it reaches a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. The esterification reaction carried out with the help of sulfuric acid catalyst, whose concentration is reduced by adding water to mixer. We have a product development stage. The first one is the esterification reaction. The esterification reactions aims to convert the free fatty acid content of using cooking oil. The long chain of esterification reaction is as follows: oleic acid reacts with methanol to produce methyl ester and water. Using cooking oil and methanol are flowed into flow reactor. The seal tank or LATB use a ratio of 6 to 1 moles of methanol per moles of free fatty acids, with the help of 1% sulfuric acid catalyst at a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 1 atmospheric. To reduce the free fatty acid content in used cooking oil so that the free fatty acid content is below 0.5% according to product standards. During reactor optimization, the esterification reaction refers to reactor arranged in series with consideration of residence time with reactor price. Then the output of the esterification reactor is flowed to the neutralizer 1 with the help of potassium hydroxide from mixer 2, which function to neutralize the remaining acid content from the esterification reactor. Because it is feared that remaining sulfuric acid can interfere with the next process, the process in the neutralizer will form a little salt, so the separation is not necessary because it's not interfere with the next process. From neutralizer 1 is then flowed to the esterification reactor.
Next, transesterification reaction. The transesterification reaction aims to convert triglyceride in used cooking oil into methyl ester and glycerol. The long chain of transesterification reaction is as follows: triolein plus methanol become methyl ester plus glycerol. Triglyceride with the addition of methanol with a mole ratio of methanol to moles of triglyceride of 6 to 1 using the assistance of a potassium hydroxide catalyzed at a temperature of 60 Celsius and a pressure of 1 atmospheric from mixer. And in the transesterification reaction, the triglycerides reactant turns into a methyl ester product or biodiesel and a byproduct glycerol. The operating condition run isothermally and the reaction runs exothermically, so the reaction temperature must be maintained at 60 Celsius using a cooling jacket or coil, and the transesterification reaction when optimized requires two reactors arranged in series. The results from the transesterification reaction are flowed to neutralizer 2 to remove the remaining potassium hydroxide catalyzed by adding sulfuric acid from mixer 1. The result from Ne02 are in the form of salt, but no separation is required because the salt content is relatively small and does not interfere with the next process.
In purification, have two step. One, biodiesel purification. The product coming out of neutralizer 2 is then flowed to the washing tank. Washing tank is used for washing biodiesel by dissolving the ingredient in salt such as triglyceride, FFA, glycerol, methanol, potassium sulfate. The result from the washing tank are then flowed to the decanter to separate the biodiesel product from byproducts. When in the decanter, the separation is carried out based on the density and solubility of each component, which causes the formation of two layers in the decanter, namely the upper layer or light stream, which has the lightest density or weight, namely biodiesel, and the lower layer or heavy stream, which has a heavier density than biodiesel. The upper layer from the decanter is then flowed to the biodiesel tank, and the lower layer is then flowed to the evaporator 1. In the evaporator 1, methanol and byproducts are separated. Because the evaporator can only evaporate 50 to 70%, the bottom product from the evaporator 1 is channeled to the evaporator 2. The methanol from evaporator 1 and 2 is then full using for recycling and entering the process verification reactor stream.
And the second one is glycerol purification. The bottom product of the evaporator is a glycerol component that can be used for resale, but due to its high water content, it must be separated again by flowing it to the evaporator to evaporate the water. Then the glycerol will be flowed to the glycerol tank and the water will be flowed to the waste treatment unit.
Product storage. In the biodiesel product, there are two stages of storage, namely, one product storage stage. After undergoing a purification and separation process using a decanter, the top layer, which is the biodiesel, is transferred to the biodiesel tank for storage. This tank stores the biodiesel product for 14 days at an operating pressure of 1 atmosphere and a temperature of 44 Celsius before distribution.
Second, glycerol storage stage. The purified glycerol byproduct in the evaporator 3 is then transferred to glycerol tank. This tank stores the glycerol for 14 days at 1 atmospheric pressure and 35 Celsius before being marketed of further process.
And this is piping and instrumentation diagram. Okay, this is a piping and instrumentation diagram. Design of a methanol storage tank. Function: storing methanol raw material for 14 days. Type: vertical cylinder with a flat bottom and a conical top section. This is determining storage pressure and temperature and determining the density of the mixture. This is determining tank dimension. Next. This is determining the number of tank and determining the thickness of the tank cell. Next one, this is calculating the cell thickness for each course and calculating the cell thickness for each course. The last one, and determining tank head thickness and summary methanol storage tank.
Okay, this is summary of the biodiesel process of follows. The biodiesel production process from used cooking oil is carried out through two main reaction steps, namely esterification and trans-esterification, both of which operate isothermally at temperature of 16 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 1 atmospheric. The esterification reaction aims to reduce of the level of free fatty acid or FFH, use a sulfuric acid catalyst. Well, trans-esterification converts triglycerides into methyl ester and glycerol byproduct using a potassium hydroxide of catalyst. The reaction requires two reaction aggregates in series for a stage. After the reaction, the product is neutralized, purified in the wasting tank, and separated in the center into upper layer biodiesel and a lower layer. The separated methanol is then recycled using two evaporator unit, and glycerol is further purified in the evaporator. The final product is stored in the biodiesel tank Celsius and the glycerol tank at 13.5 degrees Celsius, with the majority of the storage equipment using carbon steel Grade C. Construction materials.
Okay. Okay, thanks for attention. We hope that the material we have presented can provide useful insight and understanding regarding our topic. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Anjing.